OpenAI has introduced Canvas, a new collaborative writing tool that challenges the long-standing dominance of Grammarly. Canvas, integrated within ChatGPT, offers a dynamic split-screen workspace for users to write and edit text collaboratively with AI. This innovative tool, previously available in beta, is now accessible to all users, marking a significant advancement in AI-powered writing assistance. Canvas stands out with its advanced writing tools, allowing users to adjust tone, length, and audience focus seamlessly. The pop-out writing button enables fine-tuning without leaving the editor, offering deeper customization than Grammarly. For developers, Canvas introduces Python execution directly in the interface, facilitating real-time debugging. Additionally, Canvas's capabilities are embedded into custom GPTs, allowing personalized AI assistant integration, enhancing its versatility. Canvas is turning heads by combining elements from tools like Google Docs and Microsoft Word with AI integration. Unlike Grammarly, which focuses on error detection, Canvas acts as a creative collaborator, refining text in real time. Whether expanding a LinkedIn bio or reworking a novel narrative, Canvas offers features like the final polish button to improve grammar and clarity while maintaining the writing's flow, understanding context and nuances better than Grammarly. One of Canvas's standout features is its ability to provide feedback from various personas, such as an English professor or a best-selling author. For example, when reviewing a bio from an English professor's perspective, Canvas offers detailed comments on structure, tone, and clarity, refining the piece for an academic audience. This customization allows users to tailor writing to resonate with specific readers, offering a level of feedback that Grammarly lacks. Canvas blends creative writing, editing, and technical tasks like coding, offering error correction and stylistic improvements. It provides tailored editing to tone, audience, and content type, whereas Grammarly applies consistent rules that may lack flexibility. Canvas gives users greater autonomy by applying edits only when opted in, unlike Grammarly's automatic changes. Unique features like multiple perspective editing and Python integration set Canvas apart, though Grammarly excels in plagiarism detection. For writers, Canvas is more than a grammar checker. It's a creative partner adapting to various needs. It assists in expanding LinkedIn bios, crafting narratives for novels, and adjusting tone for specific audiences. Unlike other platforms, Canvas integrates editing and collaboration into a single workspace, encouraging active engagement with AI outputs. This makes it an appealing choice for writers seeking a versatile tool that goes beyond traditional grammar correction. Both Grammarly and Canvas cater to different writing needs. Grammarly excels in grammar, vocabulary, and clarity, ideal for traditional writing tasks. OpenAI Canvas, however, offers versatility and customization for a more interactive and creative experience. As users demand more from their tools, Canvas is well positioned to redefine writing assistance with context-aware suggestions and real-time collaboration. Whether refining a report or brainstorming ideas, Canvas brings fresh possibilities to the table.